Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you all a simple homemade hair serum with lots of benefits. Please do watch the full video to know the benefits of the ingredient. So let's get started. After hair wash, you need to apply hair serum. This will moisturize your hair and add shine. Using hair serum can make frizzy hair manageable. Boil nearly about half a cup water and add 2 teaspoons black tea leaves. Boil it for 1 to 2 minutes. Strain it in a bowl and add 2 vitamin E capsules and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Mix all the ingredient and take it in a clean spray bottle. Black tea is considered extremely beneficial for the hair. Black tea helps to add shine and soften your hair. Vitamin E repairs damaged hair split ends and other damages. Aloe vera forms a protective layer on your hair that keeps it safe from environmental elements. Mix all the ingredient and take it in a clean spray bottle. Spray the serum on your hair except hair roots and then comb your hair. You can apply this as a leave-on serum. You don't need to wash your hair after applying this. This serum nourishes your hair and adds shine to your hair and also makes your hair manageable. You can store it in a fridge for 4 to 5 days. You can apply this serum weekly 2 to 3 times. Try this at home and share your experience with me. This will moisturize your hair and add shine. Using hair serum can make frizzy hair manageable. Hope you all liked the video. Please do like and comment if any suggestions or requests. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel for more videos and click on the bell icon for notification.